Hi, I'm Vincent Ivanchu from VS83C, and today I'm excited to show you the Study Hub, a mobile app I designed to help students and stay on top of their school tasks, assignments, and deadlines. Here's the login screen. This is where the students start by entering their email and password. It's simple and clean, so you can get straight into the app without any distractions. Once you log in, you're taken straight to the dashboard. This is the navigation menu. It's a quick way to move around the app. You can go to dashboard, see all your tasks, check completed tasks, or log out. Next, we have the dashboard. Here's you, here you can see a quick overview of the task, total tasks, pending tasks, and completed tasks. There's also a big task, add task button, so you can quickly create a new task whenever you need. When you tap the add task, you can get to the create task screen. This is the let's type create task screen. Here you can fill the task name, the subject, and due date if any details you want include. You can save it when you're done or cancel if you change your mind. Once the save, it's added to your task list automatically. This is the task list show all the tasks you have created. You can see the task name, subject, due date, and status all the one place. If you tap the task, you can go to the edit task screen. You can change the details or the mark the task as you complete. When you save your changes, the list updates immediately so you're always on the top of work. This is the top. The task flow demo. When you log in, you see the dashboard with the all task summaries. Add new tasks with the details. Check in the task list. Edit if needed and mark it complete when done. With the Study Hub, students can stay organized, track progress, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. That's a quick look of Study Hub. It's simple, organized, and designed to help students to get more done without the stress. Thanks for the watching.